In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and TradingView. We're going to move from a simple Google search all the way to confirming whether the Bitcoin to US dollar chart on TradingView is streaming in real time. This walkthrough is great if you're just getting started or if you want to quickly verify that your chart data is live before you analyze price action. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type TradingView and press Enter. From the results, choose the official TradingView website. You'll know you're in the right place when you land on a clean, chart-focused site at the tradingview.com domain. It's always a good idea to double-check the URL to avoid spoofed pages or lookalikes. Once you're on TradingView, locate the search field at the top of the page. Click into it to activate the global search. This is TradingView's universal finder that lets you look up symbols, ideas, and more. We're interested in a symbol, so simply type BTCUSD. You don't have to worry about capitalization. The platform recognizes the pair either way. As you type, you'll see suggestions appear below, organized by category. From the results, click on BTCUSD. This is the Bitcoin versus US dollar trading pair, one of the most followed charts in the market. You may notice multiple listings for BTCUSD tied to different exchanges, such as Bitstamp or Coinbase. Any of these will open a chart, but they can have slight price differences due to each exchange's order flow. Choose the one that matches the source you prefer to follow, or simply select the widely used listing. After the chart opens, move your attention to the top left area of the chart next to the symbol name. Click there to reveal status details about the data feed. What you're looking for is confirmation that the data is real-time. A green dot indicator is a strong signal that the stream is live. Another quick way to tell is to watch the price and the last traded value. If they're updating continuously without a noticeable delay, you're seeing live movement. If you encounter wording like delayed or spot a clock icon, that typically means the feed isn't real time for that particular symbol or source. That's it. You searched for TradingView on Google, opened the platform, used the built-in search to find BTCUSD, and verified whether the chart data is real time from the symbol area. With this simple process, you can confidently confirm you're analyzing the latest price action before making any decisions.